Hi and welcome to Belgian Diecast Restorations. I'm Jon and it's been way too long since I last did a Corgi Toys model. Back in 2023 I restored the Corgi Chevrolet Impala Fire Chief Type 2 revision. This means that the body was made up of two parts separated by a plastic middle piece that incorporated suspension, front grille and headlights, taillights and chrome side trim. This is a saloon version of this Type 2 revision, which is apparently quite rare as it had a production run of only 1 year, from 1965 to 1966. This Corgi model is based on the 1959 Chevrolet Impala, which was produced from 1959 up to 1960. The Impala was Chevrolet's flagship passenger model, which was one of the more popular American cars of the era. This second generation of the Impala was redesigned to share body shells with other General Motors cars like the Buick, Oldsmobile and Pontiac. The most striking features of the 59 model were the flat space-age tail fins and the elongated taillights, which gave it a rather insect-like look. It's almost a miracle that this car was not thrown away in this condition. Under the caked layers of paint we can barely make out the original beige color and it now looks more like something from the scrapyard. This model won't get any more valuable than it is now, so I'll give it a nice new color and some detailing to make it a little more special. So let's get out the tools and give this model a makeover. The 1959 Chevrolet Impala had an iconic look, which was nicely replicated in the various Corgi models. This Type 2 model with the two-part body had only a 1-year production run in 1965. It was originally issued in beige with a white roof, however 60 years later there's not much remaining of the original color. The window is painted and cracked, the chrome plastic front is mangled and the car is missing all of its tires. Since I already did a restoration of the Impala Fire Chief back in 2023, I decided to give this one a nice makeover with mica blue. I had a spare chrome suspension ready, but I managed to save the original one. The new Corgi branded replica tires make it look like it could have been produced by Corgi back in the days. If you enjoy my videos, please leave me a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and tick the notification bell. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.